Hey guys, today I have my unboxing of the August 2018 SCT Sampler Kit for you. The theme of this month's kit is beautiful, and the card that accompanies the kit says "Be your own kind of beautiful" on the front. To start off, we have the exclusive word from SCT, which is of course beautiful. From Scrapbook.com, we got this silver Slick Writer pen. Next up, we have a full set of Kelly Creates stamps, which is awesome because I missed out on these at Michael's. Moving on to the larger groups of items, we have 6 6x6 papers from the My Bright Life collection by Jen Hadfield for Pebbles. This one is called Field of Flowers. This one is Sweet Cherries. This is Cup of Tea. Glue Garden. Flower Market. And Little Thoughts. And then we have these cardstock stickers, which unfortunately I have to say I'm a little disappointed with. Not with the stickers themselves, but just the way they were sent. These kits are made up of bits and pieces of different collections, and typically when they send out part of a sheet of stickers, they fussy cut around the stickers that are going in your package. But this time they just cut through the stickers? What? I just, like, what's the point of sending me 3/4 of a sticker? I don't understand. And I thought maybe it was a fluke or an accident, but this part of the page is in the image that they send out in the email later when they explain, like, piece for piece what each thing is, in case you couldn't figure it out. And it's the exact same half of the sheet, except in the image they use, you can see these stickers, all of them. But then over here you've got random disembodied bird heads. And I completely understand that fussy cutting is a pain in the butt. But I don't really understand what the point of just cutting straight through stickers is, because, like, hopefully I'll figure out a way to make these work, like have them poking up from something, but, like, what do people do with disembodied bird heads, or even better, disembodied bird butts, like if it's cut off there, like, I love the stickers, like I always love this kit, but this is the first time that they've ever done that with the stickers, and it's just a little bit odd. There's a fraction of a sticker right here. So somebody else got the very top of a sticker shaved off. I don't really understand the logic behind that, but the stickers are cute. Also from the My Bright Life collection, we got some ephemera pieces, some thickers, and a little strip of rhinestones. And finally, from the Shine On collection by Amy Tangerine for American Crafts, we received 6 6x6 papers. This one is called Three Sides. This one is called Even Out. This is Forest. This one is called More of This. This is Happiness. And this one is called Beautiful. We also received some ephemera pieces from the same collection, some itty bitty puppy heart stickers, and this faux suede flower sticker. And that's it for this month's SCT Sampler Kit. The weird cut of those cardstock stickers notwithstanding, I'm quite happy with this kit, and I think these items will be quite nice to use in fall-themed projects coming up. I also really do appreciate that we got 2 sheets of cut-aparts with this kit. It makes making cards and things like that a lot easier when you have coordinating sentiments with it as well. So I'm very happy to receive those as well, and I hope that's a trend that continues in the future, because I appreciate those. If you want to try the kit out for yourself, I will link to SCT's website down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.